So, have you ever been at work and you're like, you know what, I want to do a little something after I get off of work, or you've been kind of hanging out, keeping it nice and neutral, natural all day, but it's time to transform. First thing you want to do is deepen up your eyeshadow. So we're using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I already have G Money on my eyes that I use for my neutral look. So what I'm going to do is grab Crazy, which is this nice deep plum, and we're going to pop that in the outer V. See the difference already? It's about to go down. Once you got that packed on the outer V's of your eyes, you want to grab the color G Money that's already on your eyes, and we're just going to add a little bit more to create a bit more of a transition color. Now we're going to grab GRWM, Get Ready With Me, and we're going to get our Morphe R42, and we're just going to pop that right on the lower lid. After you've done that, grab a little bit of Oh Hello and just put it right in between those two colors to create a little bit more of a gradient. And don't forget to blend. All right, now it's time to really take this look to the next level. We're gonna grab that same color, Crazy, on our Morphe M455, and we are gonna smoke out the lower lash line. Now it's time to line your eyes with your favorite black liner, BRB. Like such. Now you have the option of adding on some more mascara, or you can pop on a lash. I'll let you decide. I'm gonna do mascara. Now you want to add some bronzer to really warm up the face. All right, and now you want to finish off the look by darkening up the lip a little bit. So I'm going to use a liner and make this look a little bit more nighttime. You could even go a little darker if you wanted to. But now we've transformed our daytime look into a fabulous nighttime look by making only a few changes, and we use the same palette that we use to create our neutral look.